Hello, do you want to open a raster image into AutoCAD and give it proper scale? If you are confused how to do, here is the solution. Open the AutoCAD file, go to Insert, Attach, and choose the image you want to open. Leave it the defaults. Okay. For now, let's give it this. We opened the image, but what is missing is the dimension aren't correct. If we want to use the building to digitize or extract any feature, we don't have the proper dimension. So what we need is to scale the image in a proper dimension. So let's minimize this, open QGIS, open the drone imagery, and let's go to source, extract, layer extent. Choose this, give the image and run. Now we have the extent of the image. Now we need to measure the dimension. We can measure it only one side and scale on the basis of that. Let's measure this. We have the unit in feet. Copy. Let's copy it for now in Notepad. So this is the dimension in feet. Again, open the AutoCAD. Choose the image. Scale. Choose this point. R for reference and enter. Now let's select this side and 81.522. 821.522 feet enter. So the image is scaled into the proper dimension. Now you can measure anything or extract any features from the image. Thank you for today.